Man. You y'all need to see me, man. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking gangster in this bitch, though. Real quick. Shit. I wake up and I think about a check. Bitch talking that shit, that bitch gon' get checked. Nigga talking that shit, that nigga gon' get wrecked. I'm off with this shit. Off with the that. I got a bad bitch. Habits. Bitch about the money, I'm talking cabbage. Called the bitch up on the phone, I asked her, can I have it? I called the bitch up on the phone, I asked her, can I have it? The bitch started tripping, so a nigga had to grab it. The bitch started tripping, so a nigga had to grab it. She asked me for my name, I had to tell her Young Savage. She asked me for my name, I had to tell her G Money. Now the bitch is still ain't running. When I hit her with that meat, the bitch is still ain't running. When I hit her with that meat, now she know I'm a freak. Now she know I'm a beast. Now she know I'm a young nigga off in these motherfucking streets. I ain't gonna play with you. I ain't even trying to relate with you. I just want that dollar bill. Say what? She said, say nigga, don't talk like that. I said, say bitch, sit back before you get your ass slapped. Just like that, on some pimp shit. I told you, man, with the same beat. In my record, holla at a nigga on Gutter Life. At gmail.com, a nigga right. Yeah, we always in the building, man. If a nigga talking shit, I'm concealing, man. Big heater, knock the potato off your shit. Big heater, knock the potato off your shit. Land up like some chips. Fuck around about my chips. Fuck around and get your shit split. Fuck around about my dick. Niggas talking that shit. Fuck around and meet these clips. Niggas talking that shit. Fuck around and meet these clips. That's what I do when I come through. And that's what I do when I let loose. I'm fat like Bruce, but these hoes still fuck me. I'm fat like Bruce, but these hoes still love me. I'm a kinda chubby, but these bitches won't fuck me. I'm a little chubby, but these bitches won't fuck me. I ain't ugly, I'm about the cash. I ain't ugly, I'm about that cash. I make a bitch mad, I make a bitch sad. I treat a bitch like a snake in the grass. Now the bitch is tryna act mad. I put it down on my hood. Bitch niggas is talking, bitch niggas better get it understood. I ain't playing, niggas laying, I'm in the grass, I'm spraying. Fuck around with a nigga, I'm killing, I ain't playing. Casino last night with a freaky hoe. I told the bitch, go ahead and rub Gino. She said, goddamn nigga, how old is you? I sat back, I told the truth. The bitch said, goddamn, that's a lie. Pulled out the identification, that's a lie. You don't know why I'm killing, man. Motherfucker sipping on lane. Sipping on that lane. Got some cool niggas. The niggas look at me. Some cool niggas on the team. I'm on it, man. You know what I'm saying? Fuck with your boy. You know what I mean? I could have wrecked that shit. That shit just stopped on your boy. Holla at your nigga. Yeah, dig. Gutter Life at gmail.com. But the motherfucking beat is still the bomb, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna rock it, and I ain't gonna stop. You gonna go ahead and get on this mic, bitch, I'ma rock it. I ain't gonna stop. But you gonna go ahead and get on this mic, bitch. You gonna blow me on that phone, ho. Tell me when you get off, ho. I need to get that check, ho. These hoes think I'm playing. I ain't playing when I pull the stack out. These hoes think I'm playing. I ain't playing when I pull the stack out. I'm a grown ass man. Gotta pay these bills on the first. I'm a grown ass man. Gotta get it how I get it. I'm in the motherfucking me third. I'ma spit it how I spit it. If them niggas acting up, they gon' get it how I live it. Gutter life. Gutter life. Fuck around with a nigga, I might fuck your wife. Gutter life. Gutter life. Fuck around with a nigga, I might fuck your wife. Yeah. I might fuck your wife. She gonna be begging for this dick. She gonna call me up right here tonight. She gonna be begging for this dick. She gonna call me up right here tonight. And me and my nigga, we gonna hit her with that pipe. Strike, strike. That bitch knocked out. I got some niggas, cold killers from the south. Holla at your boy.
Gutter Life Records,
bitch. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. One time.